After this video, you will get to know what is a cryptocurrency, types of cryptocurrencies, advantages of cryptocurrencies, disadvantages of cryptocurrencies. Watch until the end to get a free wallpaper pack for your desktop. What is a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that can be used to buy goods and services. There are lots of types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Cardano are some of them. Advantages and disadvantages are displayed in the table. If you all are curious about this topic, go and check the value of a Bitcoin. The website link is in the description area. Now it's time to give the free wallpaper pack for your desktop. First, you should go to the description area and click the link given to download the wallpaper. Before you get to download it, you must subscribe to our channel and get it for free.